Yes, and welcome back to another quick episode today, because I'm just about in the next 10-15 minutes going to start working again. So today is a bit of a hectic day. So tomorrow and Friday, I'm going to go into altcoins a little bit more. We're going to analyze some of these altcoins going into crypto gaming again, and maybe even AI, but I want to focus on crypto gaming tomorrow and Friday, as well as the Bitcoin price. So tomorrow we'll go into the altcoins and my opinion on that, and we're in December now, so the strategy, what my plans are for 2024. So we'll look at that over the next 2 days and over next week as well. It's already the 6th of December, and the end of this year will soon be upon us. So just jumping over. So before we jump over into the Bitcoin price, as you can see, everything is pretty much in the green again. If we look at the weekly, everything is just pumping like crazy at the moment. It's absolutely mental. But that's crypto for you. And it's not even the real bull run yet. It's a bull run, but it's not the real thing. Next year, you will see, if you're new to the space, after the halving, when you will really see a parabolic run with the altcoins, with Bitcoin, and with everything. Yes, Bitcoin has been pumping over the last few days, quite a lot, and over the next couple of weeks, altcoins will probably pump even harder and go to the upside a lot more. So don't be surprised to see some of these things in the 400-500%. Over the month, some things are already 500-600%. And this is exactly, again, as I said the other day, normally going into the bull run, November, December is usually a good month, and so that's what we're seeing. Even dead coins projects like Luna has been just absolutely on a rampage over the month, 220%. So congratulations to those that bought Luna months ago, if you've had a bag of it. And the space is doing pretty well, the altcoins. Today it's about 50-50 really. Some things are in the red, some things are in the green. But yeah, so tomorrow, Friday, I'm going to go over into crypto gaming again, looking at more strategies and really highlighting what I'm going to do next year, and looking at the psychology aspect of the market. So stay tuned for that. So just jumping over into Bitcoin. So as you can see, we have broken this pattern, which I spoke about last week. We broke this over the weekend, and yeah, so now we've even broken this this megaphone, this rising megaphone, if you want to call it that, and we've gone way above it. So now these things are finished. They'll be invalid. I'm going to keep it there for educational purposes anyway, and you can see exactly. I called this. I didn't expect to continue. That's the truth. I said there's a possibility that we could go all the way to 47k, and I'm going to show you that in a moment. But my advice right now, again, it's not financial advice. You do as you wish. If you want to trade this, you can use my affiliate link for Bitflex and Bybit in the description, in the link just below. So feel free to sign up. Just takes 5 minutes, and you can start your trading career. You can go short, you can go long. You can even buy altcoins that you can't find on other exchanges. So yeah, in the link you have that, those two exchanges. And so personally, I wouldn't jump into a trade. Never chase the markets. Let the markets come to you. That's always something I try to do. Don't FOMO into it like everybody else is doing. Most of the time, it's just patience. Patience is the key to success in crypto. If you're patient, you don't chase the market, you let the market come to you, then you're going to make money. So what am I seeing right now? Well, there's a big possibility because of this huge pump. We've pumped from when we broke out here. Let's just go from here all the way to the current price. It's already 14%, which is amazing. If you took this trade that I mentioned back in October, you would be up right now on this swing long position 54%. So if you were with me back then, congratulations if you took it. If you're using leverage, again on Bybit, if you're using 10x, you've just made 500%. So that's how it's done with swing trading. And that's why I prefer it, swing trading, because I'm not a day trader. If you want to do day trading, just look at the lower time frames. And if you are a day trader, then look at these lower time frames, such as I prefer the 15-minute, the 30-minute time frames. I know others prefer 1 to 5 minutes. But again, I don't really day trade. I prefer the 1 day or the 4 day, just to get a bigger perspective over the market, and doing these swing long positions and swing short positions as well. So where could we go from here if you're going to long this? Again, personally, I wouldn't. I think we're about to have a reversal, but this huge resistance right now at around the $47,000 level. So it's around here. As you can see, we are, let me just fit this back to scale, it'll be a lot easier. So yeah, we're going to have some key resistance. Let me just change this. Where's the rectangle? There we go. So from around here, we're about to enter. If we do pump up a bit more, I doubt we'll go past the 47, 48k. So if you want to short around here to get that dip back down, then I mean, feel free. I won't short in a bull market. I really think we are back. Obviously, if you look at the trend, we are back in that accumulation bull phase, going into that parabolic run next year. So again, if you want to short, then just wait for the resistance of around I would say 47,000. So let's put a line there and get rid of this rectangle. So I'm going to keep that there anyway. So there's some key resistance, and then the support is back down at 40, and also there's major support now around the $37,000 level. And I'm going to put another support. I'm going to change this to green for the support. Let's change this one as well. So the supports I'm going to keep in green for you, and the resistance will keep red. Okay, so just zooming in, there we go. So you can see we're very close to touching this key resistance, and expect pullbacks. I mean, Bitcoin does what it wants. I could be wrong. We could just fly through up to 50 and beyond 50k. Let me know what you think in the comments section below, if you think we're going to go past 50k this year. Personally, I don't think so. I think we'll go up to that 47, 48k range, and then come back down. We could even come back down from here. But anyway, for sake of argument, let's just say this is the major key resistance here that will probably reverse back down going into January, where we see that maybe 25-30% pullback. So let's just see what that would look like. So if we have that 20-25%, we come back down to that $34,000, $35,000 area. Usually we do see that those like 20-25%, even 30% pullbacks. I won't be surprised if we go all the way back down from if we do pump up to around 50, that we next year, January, February, March, we do come all the way back down to the levels of 25-30,000 before the Bitcoin halving. So that's pretty much it for today, guys and girls. Thank you for watching. And just one more indicator I like to use from time to time is the Bollinger Bands. And as you can see, we've come out of those Bollinger Bands, which also indicates that we're going to come back inside the Bollinger Bands, back into the zone, because we have come out, and we will probably come back into this. So expect a reversal any moment. I don't want to be a bearer of bad news, but it's just the technicals. If you're trading, if you're dollar cost averaging, then you just buy Bitcoin whenever. That's no problem at all. So thanks, guys and girls. It was just a quick update on the Bitcoin price. Tomorrow and Friday we will look at crypto gaming and altcoins. And this video, I've done it over lunchtime, but I'll probably publish it around 5 or 6 o'clock. So sorry, but it is what it is. So thanks, guys, for sticking around, and I will see you all tomorrow.